Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiplication facts to 12, multiplication facts up to 12, find the missing factor, choose the multiples of a given number up to 12, and then identify factors. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 4 math. The chapter we're going to start with is multiplication. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiplication facts to 12. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so the first one is 7 times 11. So let's just understand multiplication first, right? So basically multiplication is the repeated additions, right? You have to add again and again. That is exactly same to multiplication. For example, you have to do 2 times 3, right? You do 3 plus 3 or you do 2 plus 2 plus 2. They both are exactly same, right? So the multiplication is same as repeated addition. Either you add repeatedly or either you multiply, like either you add or either you multiply, the concept is same, right? For the smaller number, it is okay. Like 2 times 3, you can add 3 plus 3. But for the larger number, three-digit numbers and four-digit numbers, that is not possible to do addition again and again, right? So that there you need the concept of multiplication. Got it? So let's just start with the example, that is 7 times 11, right? So 7 times 11 is same as adding 7 11 times or 11 7 times. So either you add 11 7 times, you have two numbers involved here, 7 and 11. Either you add 7 11 times or 11 7 times. They both have exactly same answers, that is 77. Got it? So if you want to be perfect with multiplication, you need to learn the multiplication tables, right? So if still you are not perfect with the multiplication table, start learning one multiplication table daily, right? They are very easy. If you do them, you will be perfect with multiplication. Also, if you need help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on this button, that is a live chat button. Tutors are available there. You don't have to go to Skype now. You simply have to click on this button, select select the, like if you need help with math or language, and you will be contacted to the tutors, right? They are available to help you, but they are available during the shift timing from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, right? Okay, let's just start with the first lesson, that first exam question, that is 9 times 9. So basically you need to add 9 times, right? So if still you don't know how to multiply, then you can add 9 times, right? But I know 9 times 9 is 81. So the correct option is 81, right? So try to be perfect with multiplication tables because adding a same number again and again is not easy, while doing the multiplication tables is very easy. Okay, the next one is multiply, sorry, 3 times 6. So which is the correct option? 3 times 6 equals, yes, 18 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Either you do 3 times 6 or 6 times 3. The correct option is 18. No one is answering the questions I am asking. Please answer the question I am asking. The next one is 4 times 2. So which is the correct option? You can do 2 times 4 or 4 times 2, right? They both are exactly same. So 4 times 2 is, the correct option is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. The next one is 7 times 9, which is the correct option. The correct option is 7 times 9 is, 63. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 times 9 is 63. The next one is 5 times 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 times 1. Any number when you multiply with 1, the correct option is the same number, right? Any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number. So 5 times 1 is, so the correct option is 5. The next one is 7 times 7. So which is the correct option? Seven times 7 is 49. The correct option is 49. Option number 2 is the correct option. Eleven times 8, which is the correct option? 11 times 8 is 88. It is option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 3 times 7. So which is the correct option? Three times 7 is 21. It is option number 2 is the correct option. You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. Stop sharing your username here, right? The next one is 11 times 1. So which is the correct option? 11 times 1 is 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 1 times 1. So which is the correct option? 11, 1 times 1 is 1, right? Whatever number you are multiplying with 1, the number stays the same. So 1 times 1 is 1. The correct option is 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is multiplication facts up to 12. Find the missing factor. Let's just start with the next lesson. Find the missing number. 2 times what number is 10? So you have to find the number that when multiplied by 2 makes it 10. So if you are perfect with the tables, that would be very easy for you. 2 times 5 makes 10. So the correct option is 5. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. 3 times what number is 15? You are given two of the options, 6 or 5. So which is the correct option? You need to count a table of 3 until 15. So 3 times what number is 15? Yes, very good. 3 times 5 makes 15, so the correct option is 5. The next one is 8 times what number is 40? 5 or 6, which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 times 5 is 40. The correct option is 8 times 5 is 40. The next one is 7 times what number is 70, which is the correct option? 7 times? Yes, 10 is 70. The correct option is 10. 3 times what number is 9? 3 times 3 is the 9. The correct option is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Fill in the missing number. 3 times what number is 30, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 times 10 is 30. The correct option is 10. Fill in the missing number. The missing number times 1 equals 10. So which number is missing? Which number is missing? Yes, that is 1 times 10 is 10. The correct option is 10. Again 10. Okay, the next one is fill in the missing number. 10 times what number is 30, which is the correct option? The correct option is 10 times 3 is 30. The correct option is 3. The next one is 8 times the missing number is 80. So which number is missing? Yes, that is 8 times 10 is 80. The correct option is 10. The next one is 2 times what number is 8? That is 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is choose the multiples of a given number up to 12. So let's just start with the next lesson. Which of the following numbers are the multiples of 10? So first thing you need to learn is what are the multiples? What do you know about the multiples? What are the multiples? So multiples is a number that we get when we multiply one whole number to another whole number, right? Like here you have, for example, you have 2 times 3 is 6, right? So 2 and 3 are the multiples of 6. When you multiply them, they make 6, right? So 2 and 3 are the multiples of 6. Got it? Because you multiply 2 and 2 times 3 and that makes 6. So 2 and 6, 3 are the multiples of 6. Got it? So let's just start with the test question. Which of the following are the multiples of 6? That means the number you make by multiplying 6 to another number, right? So you are given four of the options. They are 54, 39, 52, and 47. So the only number that is 54, that is the multiple of 6. 6 times 9 makes 54. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Which number is the multiple of 9? Which is the correct option, 15 or 81? So which is the correct option? 9 times any number makes 55. Do you have any number that when multiplied by 9 makes 15? No, we don't have any number, right? But look at the other one. 9 times what number is 81? 9 times 9 is 81, right? So 9 is the multiple of 81. So the correct option is 81. Got it? Multiples of 9 are 81. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which of the following numbers are multiples of 4? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. 2014, which is the correct option? No one is answering the question I am asking. The correct option is 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which of the followings are multiple of 3? Which is the correct option? 21 or 35. Which is the correct option? Twenty-one. The correct option is option number 1, that is 21. 3 times 7 makes 21. So option number 1 is the correct option. Which of the following numbers are multiple of 2? Which is the correct option? That is 2 times 2 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is which of the following numbers are multiples of 7? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 49. 7 times 7 makes 49. So option number 2 is the correct option. Which of the following numbers are multiple of 12? Which is the correct option? That is 84. 12 times 7 makes 84. So option number 1 is the correct option. 12 is the multiple of 84. Which of the following numbers are multiples of 5? Which is the correct option? Yes, 48 is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is identify factors. Let's just start with the lesson. Which number is factor of 16? So factor means the number that can evenly divide the given number, right? So which number is a factor of 16? You're not given with the options here. Leave it. Let's just start with the test question so that you can understand. Beside 39 and 1, which is one factor of 39? So you need to find a pair of numbers that when multiplied makes 39. So which is the correct option? You are given two options, right? One of them is 12 times 4 and the 12 and 4, the second one is 13 times 3. You can multiply and check which one makes 39, right? So that is option number 2. 13 times 3 makes 39. So that means the other factors for 39 are 13 and 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which number is a factor of 18? Which is the correct option? That is 2. 2 times 9 is 18, right? So 2 is a factor of 18. The correct option is 2. Which numbers are factor of 42? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 90. 45 times 2 is 90. So the correct option is 90. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which numbers are the factors of 9? Which is the correct option? Ninety, that was. The correct option is 9. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Beside 27 and 1, which is the one factor of 27? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option, 8 and 4 or 27? 8 and 4 or 9 or 3? That is 9 times 3 is 27. How? Option number 1, 9 times 3 is 27. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is which number is a factor of 10? Which is the correct option? That is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Mm. Which number is a factor of 33? Which is the correct option? That is 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. 11 times 3 makes 33. How 17? 17 times what number is 33? That is 11. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is multiplication. The lessons we have covered today are multiplication facts to 12, multiplication facts up to 12, find the missing factor, choose the multiples of a given number up to 12, and identify factors. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor through the live chat button that is available on the A Plus website. Tutors are available there during the shift timing from 9 to 5 from Monday to Friday and 9 to 5, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask question. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.